In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch Adobe Illustrator to dark mode quickly and easily. If you prefer a darker interface that's easier on the eyes, especially during long design sessions, this setting can make a huge difference. Dark mode not only looks more modern and professional, but it can also help reduce eye strain when you're working at night or in low light environments. The best part is, it only takes a few seconds to enable. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open Adobe Illustrator on your computer. It doesn't matter which document you have open, because this setting applies to the entire application, not just one specific file. Once Illustrator is open, go to the top menu bar and click on Edit. A drop-down menu will appear with several options. Scroll all the way down toward the bottom of that menu and click on Preferences. When you hover over Preferences, another submenu will appear to the side. From that list, click on User Interface. This will open the Preferences window directly to the User Interface settings. Here, you'll see several customization options that control how Illustrator looks and behaves. The setting we're focusing on is called UI Brightness. You'll notice a row of 4 different brightness options, ranging from very dark to very light. These boxes represent the overall theme of your Illustrator interface. To switch to dark mode, simply select the darkest color box. As soon as you click it, you'll see a live preview of the interface changing in the background. The panels, toolbar, and workspace will all shift to a darker appearance. This darker theme is ideal if you want your artwork to stand out more clearly against the interface, and many designers prefer it because it creates less visual distraction while working. If you want to experiment, you can click between the different brightness levels to see which one feels most comfortable for you. Illustrator gives you flexibility, so you're not limited to just one extreme or the other. But for full dark mode, make sure the darkest option is selected. Once you're happy with your selection, go ahead and click OK in the Preferences window. That's it. Your Adobe Illustrator interface is now set to dark mode. If you ever want to switch it back to a lighter theme, just repeat the same steps. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then User Interface, and choose a lighter brightness option. It's completely reversible and only takes a few seconds. Switching to dark mode is a small change, but it can significantly improve your workflow, especially if you spend hours designing logos, illustrations, social media graphics, or print materials. Comfort matters when you're working on creative projects, and customizing your interface is one of the easiest ways to improve that experience. I hope this quick tutorial helped you switch Adobe Illustrator to dark mode without any confusion. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy Adobe Illustrator tips and tricks in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.